To lock the apps on Poco X7, first we need to open a settings on our device. Then we can scroll down looking for the apps section, enter it, and inside we'll be able to find the app lock. Select that and then you can turn it on. Unlock your device and then proceed. Now you need to sign. You don't need to, but you can sign into your Xiaomi account to be able to reset the password that we're about to set up, but I'm gonna skip it. And now we need to click on use app lock, and you can activate fingerprint unlock to access locked apps, but I'm gonna cancel it, and right here our apps will be locked with the password. So you can select whichever apps you want to lock. In this case, let's go with the Facebook, and if we try to open this app through our phone, okay, I don't have a Facebook, for some reason it was there. Let's anyway change to Chrome. And now if we access a Chrome, as you can see, there's a password required to open it.